Hello friends, this is Melita and welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Monsoon is that time of the year that makes you crave for different types of food. And aromatic crispy foods are one of them. And the best example is some crispy hot bhajiyas or the pakoras or the bhajiyas as they are called in Goa. So let's begin with the monsoon indulgence. For this I have taken here 3 cups of gram flour or the besan, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of rice flour. So this rice flour will make your pakoras or the bhajiyas nice and crispy. So make sure you add it. Now to bring out the flavors, I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of salt. To that I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of carom seed or ajwain. I already crushed it on my palm. I'm adding here a pinch of baking soda and 1 tablespoon finely chopped spicy green chili. You may opt to add red chili powder. Mix these ingredients well and keep aside. So let's slice 4 onions as thin as possible. You can see how thinly I have sliced the onions. Now put them into a bowl and separate the onion slices. Now keep this aside and I'm going to get ready with my potato slicing and the chilies as well. Now to make best potato kapas or the potato bhajiyas is to boil your potatoes to 50% and let them cool completely, and then slice them along with the skin and keep them aside. Until then, I'm having these long green chilies. They're specially used to make bhajiyas. They are not spicy chilies, and I'm going to slit this chilies. Now it's very important to slit your chilies before frying, is that there is a chance at times of the chili cracking or exploding in the oil. To prevent that, and also I want the chili inside to be filled with the pakora batter. Now here my onion slices are well separated. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt to it and nicely massage the onions well with the salt so that the onion starts to release the water. Now this is very important in making delicious bhajiyas. Now to add more flavor to your bhajiyas, I am adding here 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander, about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint leaves, and a handful of onion springs, and mix it well. Massage all together well until well combined. Now this is going to be so flavorful, friends. Onion springs and mint leaves are totally optional, but friends, if you add this, it's going to make your bhajiyas really flavorful. And now to this, I'm adding half of the flour mixture which I've already made and kept. This is approximately about 1.5 cup, and I'm going to massage this mixture together with the onion mixture so that the flour and the onion gets mixed with the onion juice. If you really feel that there is a need to add water, add about a tablespoon or so. But onion bhajiyas are best made without adding any water. Let's get ready with the batter to make your potato and chili pakoras as well. Add little water at a time and this mixture into a batter in between dropping and running consistency, not too thick, not too thin. And let this onion mixture and the batter rest for at least about 10 minutes. Until then, heat oil at moderate temperature. Here my oil has been heating and it's moderately hot. Do a testing by just dropping a bit of or a piece of onion, and if it rises quickly and starts to bubble, then the oil is perfectly hot. But if you think it browns too quickly, then lower the flame and let the oil cool down a bit. Now take a portion of about a tablespoon and drop it into this oil. To make your bhajiyas nice and crispy, best is not to overcrowd so that the temperature of the oil doesn't come down. You need to have a constant heat for the oil to make the perfect bhajiyas. After about 3 minutes, turn the bhajiyas and fry them the other side too till they are nice and brown. And here your crispy, delicious onion bhajiyas are ready. Remove the bhajiyas on an absorbent paper so that the excess oil gets absorbed. The best trick here is to let the bhajiyas cool for at least 2-3 minutes. Now add your potato slices into the batter and coat them on either side and drop them into the moderately hot oil. And it doesn't take long since your potatoes are already half boiled. Just fry for about 2 minutes on either side and your potato pakoras are ready to be relished. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet or new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel now. And if you like watching these videos, then please encourage me by liking my videos and do share with your family and friends so they too enjoy watching my videos. Here my potato kappas are ready. They look so nice, crispy. Now put your chilies into the batter and fill in the inside of the chili as well, and put your chilies into the moderately hot oil and let them fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once they are golden, remove them and place them on a paper towel. And here the moment of truth. Can anyone resist the sight and the aroma of freshly fried bhajiyas and the aroma that fills the air? Surely it is drooling. Friends, did you ever think that making bhajiyas is so easy? Now you got the recipe at your home. Follow the important tips that I have given throughout the video and try it at your home and enjoy this crispy hot bhajiyas with a cup of nice masala chai from the comforts of your home, sitting by the window pane with a cup of hot tea and some bhajiyas to relish. Best accompanied with some homemade tomato ketchup and green chutney. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time with yet another interesting monsoon special. Until then, try bhajiyas and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you. God bless you. Mogasu.